Dear friends, have a good day. Today we are going to look at the definition of equation. What is equation? Have a look at these examples. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. A is equal to B. 4 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 7. Ax plus b is equal to c. 5x plus 2y is equal to 15. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Do you agree that what I have mentioned above are equations? Yes, what I have mentioned above are examples of equations. Well, from these examples, can you define what is an equation? Perhaps so many answers may come. Can you give a specific definition for equation? To give a specific definition, first off we must rewrite the above examples in a unique form. Let's try now. In the first example, bring this right hand side into left hand side, then what you get is left hand side minus right hand side is equal to 0. From the second example, bring this b into left hand side, then what you get is a minus b is equal to 0. From the third one, what you get is 4 plus 5 minus 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. From the fourth one, what you get is ax plus b minus c is equal to 0. From the fifth example, bring this 15 into left hand side, then what you get is 5x plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Here the last example is in the standard form of equation, so keep the last equation as it is. Now the above examples are in a unique form, sum of terms equal to 0. Therefore equation we mean the form any expression equal to 0. Take the first three examples. In the first three examples we don't have any unknowns. Take the last three examples. But the remaining three examples have the unknowns x, y and x squared. The main objective of framing an equation is finding the solution of the unknowns. So take a look at the last three examples to define exactly that what an equation is. The highest power of the unknown in the last example is 2, so the equation is known as second degree equation. But in the remaining two examples, the highest power of the unknown is 1, so these equations are called linear equations. As far as equation is concerned, degree is an important thing. Therefore, generally the nth degree equation is a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus etc. plus an is equal to 0. Where a0, a1, a2, a3, etc. an are all constants provided a0 not equal to 0. Based on the degree, the polynomial equations are classified as two types. One is linear equation and the other is nonlinear equation. What is linear equation? The first degree equations are called linear equations. What is nonlinear equation? The second and higher degree equations are called nonlinear equations. Have a look at the example of linear equation. Mr. Suresh has spent Rs 190 for buying 2 kg tomato and 3 kg onion in a market. Mr. Ramesh has bought 1 kg tomato and 2 kg onion for Rs 120 in the same market. Then how will you model this problem and what will be the prices of 1 kg tomato and 1 kg onion? Here we don't know the prices of tomato and onions, so let us take x be the price of tomato and y be the price of onion. Then the above problem can be modeled as 2x plus 3y is equal to 190 and x plus 2y is equal to 120. Now solve these two equations to get the values of x and y. The above two equations give the solution as x equal to 20 and y is equal to 50. Here x equal to 20 is the price of tomato and y is equal to 50 is the price of onion. Have a look at the example of nonlinear equation. It is given that the length of a rectangle is 7 meters longer than its width, and if the area of the rectangle is 30 meters squared, then what will be the length and the width of the rectangle? It is given that the length of a rectangle is 7 meters longer than its width, but we don't know the width of the rectangle. So let it be x. Then the length will be x plus 7. Also given that the area of the rectangle is 30 meters squared, and we know that the area of the rectangle is area is equal to breadth into length. Therefore, we can model the above problem as that is equal to x into x plus 7. The above equation can be written as x squared plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now solve this equation x squared plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Take the coefficient of x squared and take the constant term. Multiply these two terms, then what you will get is minus 30. Now choose two numbers whose addition will be 7 and whose multiplication will be minus 30. Then the above equation can be written as x plus 10 into x minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 3. But the length and breadth must be positive, so x equal to minus 10 is not possible, so take x equal to 3. Therefore, the dimension of the rectangle is width become 3 meter and length become 10 meter. Thank you.